so I'm back with a new video, and today I'm doing a hair review on this red hair. And you guys saw my hair review from last time. This was actually a full blonde wig. There was no dark roots to it. There's still no dark roots. I just went ahead and I dyed everything red. But I like this color a lot better than the blonde hair from last time. So this wig is from Dyhair777 last time, and also how to gel everything down. But in this case, I scratched all that and I went ahead and I just bleached the knots, and I didn't have to really gel down much of anything. In fact, all I did was just do a little bit at this point. I didn't want to overdo like the baby hairs and stuff, and everything is really stuck to my head. The reason why is because I actually bought the Got to Be Glued Ultra Glue, and this one says that it's non-sticky, no flakes, and crazy holds. So hopefully this works out a lot better than the yellow one, but so far it's looking really good. Now on camera right now, what I want to do is just curl this hair and see how it looks with like a nice curl, like a messy wave. Before we go into this, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I dyed this hair, the dyeing process, how I bleached the knots, all that good stuff, and how we got to this hair color. And yeah, we'll just go through that. Okay, so I'm starting with this blonde 613 hair that you guys saw in my last video, and now we're gonna go ahead and apply the hair dye to this and get started. So make sure that you guys get your gloves, put them on. You want to make sure that you protect your hands. I'm going to be using the 20 volume developer with the Intense Red from Color Brilliance, and we're going to basically use the 1:1 ratio as the mixture and then mix them together. After that, I started to apply the mixture to the hair. I actually started off with one less bottle than I needed. Make sure that you get 2 of the Intense Reds from Color Brilliance instead of just 1. I realized like midway through that I didn't get enough of it and I didn't have enough, so Kevin actually had to go get some for me. Thank goodness, because I would have been stuck and this video wouldn't have happened. Now that I had my second bottle of Color Brilliance, I was able to continue the process and coat the entire head of hair. As you can see here, I'm just trying to make sure that I coat every single hair strand in the hair dye. You don't want to miss anything, so I'm just kind of rubbing my fingers together through it, and I'm letting everything process. And now it's time to rinse everything off. This actually took me a few tries. There will be a lot of red hair dye that comes out of it, but no worries, everything will still be just as vibrant. It just takes a while to wash out. And surprisingly, everything turned out pretty even. And I also wanted to do one last thing, and that was me going in and trying to bleach the knots. I just went ahead and I put a thick layer of the 40 volume developer mixed with the powder bleach. I just got the powder bleach from Sally's Beauty, just one packet I had to use, and that was it. Now this did kind of work, but it was still kind of yellow looking for the lace. All I did afterwards was put a little bit of my face powder on the inside of the lace, and then everything looked fine. To prep the hair for styling, I went in with my Orotherapy hair oil, and then it was time for me to go ahead and blow dry the hair until it was dry. Okay, so now that we've gone through the hair dyeing process, I'm gonna just go through and curl this hair, and then we're gonna talk about how the hair has been holding up since I last made that other video.
I'm so
Updates on this hair, I think it's still really soft, even though I did use the 20 volume developer. Plus, I'm pretty sure I used the Color Brilliance hair color red that I used, and I also put an elastic band in this cap. I used the bigger size and I switched them out with my other wig. Again, I did use the Got To Be Glued Ultra Glued. And yeah, this is holding up really nice. It's still really, really soft. I did do a little bit of a trim, probably around like an inch or so. I wanted the hair to be kind of one length altogether. I think it's a really cute length for what it is, and I like this color so freaking much. This is my first time ever wearing a red color wig, so I'm loving this a lot. I'm loving the dye job that I did. Also, I'm loving how the knots are bleached and how literally my hair, it's just like it's stuck to my head. So I could put this, if I wanted to, into like a half ponytail or something, and you can still see here. There's a lot that you can do with this, which I like a lot. So yeah, I like how even the color is too. What I usually try to do is make sure that I rub my hands together with the hair and make sure that all of the color goes in every single strand. You don't want to miss anything. It's really easy to miss something when the hair is already becoming wet and a little bit damp. You'll get this type of color. It's really shiny and it looks really soft. Yeah, most of the products that I used were from Herbal Essence and also the Garnier Fructis. You can use Pantene, Garnier Fructis, Herbal Essence. Those are really good brands to use on your wigs. For me, personally, that works the best for me. They cost about $2 each for the shampoo and for the conditioner, and then also if you want to get a moisturizer, which I do recommend doing, that costs about $5. Make sure that you're kind of doing that maybe weekly or every other week or something, just to keep the hair really nice and soft. As you can see, the edges just look a lot more natural, and I think just after me basically bleaching the knots, everything looks a lot better, honestly. And yeah, that's all I pretty much did. I just customized the hair. It's still in really good shape. There's no shedding, honestly. The only shedding that happened was when the hair was a little bit wet. I had to use a white tooth comb. Barely much hair came out, surprisingly. Nothing much really happened with that, honestly. It worked really, really well. So links to everything down below. All the products that I use are going to be down below as well. I'm going to go ahead and put my Amazon links for you guys, so you can go ahead and purchase them. If you want a separate video of me showing you exactly what products that I use for my wigs, let me know down in the comment section down below and I'll let you guys know about that. But this wig is amazing. It's been holding up super, super well. So yeah, that's it for this hair review. I hope that you guys like it. This is suitable for all dyeing colors. I wouldn't try to bleach it any more than it already is bleached. I think that they bleached it enough. It's already at 613. But you can add another hair color to it like I did, and it's very vibrant and really pretty. So yeah, you're welcome to do that with this wig. It's really soft. It's originally a body wave, and it does have a natural looking hairline, but I definitely suggest bleaching the knots yourself, as well as doing a little bit of making baby hairs and stuff, or plucking it, however you want to do it. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you guys liked this and you like the process and me kind of messing with the wig and doing some new stuff to it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Remember to click the notification bell if you want to see all of my new updates, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.